What happened?
No hay espacio para voltear aquí uno.
Bro, look at this.
No me cortaba el sacarte con las llantas de la vera. I was trying to back it up in here, but fuck that, it's too tight.
Bro, I'm just hearing you from inside the shop, just going back and forth, back and forth. Y marcaste toda la pinche yarda, güey. Mira, hasta allá.
It needed a cut. It needed a cut.
It needed a cut?
Yeah.
Ah, güey, allá está el tractor, güey, chingado. Míralo. Damn it, boy. Did you?
I gave up, bro.
You gave up?
Yeah, I said fuck it.
So no mission accomplished? You were trying to flip it over or what?
Yeah. Well, yesterday I did it, but the cars weren't there. So now I was like, well, I gotta try it over here, but no se hizo.
Chingado. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Trokiando channel. You guys just seen Edgar was trying to back up the trailer, or what the fuck were you trying to do? Turn it around?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Yeah, he was trying to turn it around, but it's a little tight up in here. And we gotta get the giveaway truck unloaded because we gotta get this thing washed up and go over to Jonathan's shop so we can talk to you guys about the 911 drop on this truck. That way?
911, baby.
911.
People be saying it's not 911, but we're gonna show you it's 911.
Everyone be saying it's a 5.7 drop, a 4.6 drop. 5.7 is the most common one, but no, it's not a 5.7. That thing is sitting on a 911 drop. That thing is stupid low, and it's clean. On what? 24. On 24s. I'm a boy Chewy.
Hey, yeah.
Tell him Chewy. That's not a 5.7 drop.
I ain't
right?
no 5.7, bro. I got a 5.7 here. No, my shit not lean firm like that.
Yeah, guys, 5.7 is the most common drop on these trucks right here, but this one's not sitting on that. We're gonna be going over the suspension, showing you guys what it has. If you guys want to get something similar to this one, showing what you need to be sitting on that low of a drop. Now, this is a very, very low drop. As you guys can see, a little bit of the frame. Mira. It's inches off the floor. So it's fun, it looks cool and everything, but it's a pain in the butt to drive, especially if it's gonna be your daily. We're gonna be going on the ins and outs of that and showing you what it has, what it needs, and what to expect of it. So if you guys are looking forward to this video, make sure you watch the whole video. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button below. We're gonna go to hit 10,000 subscribers here pretty soon, and you guys can help us get there. Let's get this thing unloaded, get it washed up, and then head over to Sakare Concepts.
But it's
I'm
not.
gonna show you how it's done. Go shake. Hold on.
Alright, first try.
First try.
See, that's what I was gonna do next, but Juan interrupted me. That's what I was gonna do.
But you didn't do it.
Well, no, I gave up, and I was like, I'll try again in 5 minutes.
Ahí quedó. Now we're gonna unload it, take out Draco so we can wash it in there. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's already gonna be Sunday, which is the last day to get entered for a chance to win this truck right here. Sunday, June 25th at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. It's last time, guys. So get entered, get your entries. TQG 5 drip. It's all 30 times the entries. We still got some bundles going on right now. That's 100 times the entries. Those are 700 total entries for one bundle. That's the maximum multiplier that we have available right now. So hop online, secure your entries. One of you guys is gonna be taking home this truck. Está con madre la pinche troca. If you guys didn't watch the last videos, the interior is completely done. Well, it needs to get washed ASAP. New door panels by Speedy Headliner. The seats came out fucking fresh. That logo. And it already had the center console on there. It already had the system. This thing's already looking A1 from the outside. Just the interior needed some love, and it's on there. We also did the new steering wheel too. So the steering wheel. Well, this thing is flawless, inside and out. Se mira mamalona. New LED lights, new tires, intro billet wheels. Nomás le falta la lavada y un dueño nuevo. Could be you. Don't sleep on it. Tonight at 11:59 p.m. Central Time is the last time you guys can get entered for a chance to win this truck. So let's get it looking pretty. Head over to Sakare Concepts. That way?
Yeah.
You ready or what?
Yeah.
Chewy detailing?
We gotta get that chewy sauce.
Oh,
the chewy sauce.
Damn it, boy.
look lifted.
It's like a 4x4 status right now, eh? But yeah, guys, there it is. 911 drop on the step side, single cab. All right, 911 drop. If you guys want to do something similar to this setup right here, Jonathan, what all do they need to get done? Because Chewy's truck, 4.7, yeah? What does he have on this?
4.7 on 20s.
On 20s and 275
40s.
40s. But he has what do you have, spindles and springs on this?
Yeah, spin the springs.
Spindle
That's
springs,
what it should be.
flip kit in the back. And this one, trae más back. So what needs to be done to get a 911 drop? Or what does this one have that gives it that 911 drop?
Well, in the front we went with what? Upper and lower control arms?
Yeah.
That's 4.
About 4 inches. Yeah.
2-inch drop spindles. And a 3-inch drop spring. That's 9.
That's 9.
Right that way? 9 inches right there. Yeah, so now the truck already came like this to a certain extent.
Yeah, the truck already had
Yeah.
some of the parts that are on this truck already came with it. We just fixed the
We just fixed some issues and we upgraded some parts.
Yeah,
We did the lower control arm on this
upper
one. Right?
control arms.
Upper control.
Or
That's
upper
right.
control arms and
Inner and outer tie rods.
yeah.
And then went over the whole suspension, greased everything up, make sure everything was good. So that right there is 9. Now can we go any lower? Being static like that is just,
I mean, yeah, we can go lower, but then we
What?
got to get into the tie rods, do Heim joint,
Oh,
tie rods.
okay. But at that point, better just bag in the front end.
And, yeah, might as well bag
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, because this thing sits freaking stupid low on the front. It's a nice truck, but to daily it, you're gonna have a hard
Not
time.
every day. Nah,
Yeah, not
it's
every
not a daily truck.
I did. No, now
Like, it's a Sunday cruiser.
it's a Sunday. Yeah, that is for damn sure. Now, since we had to go this low, you have to do tubs.
You got to do tubs,
So what about firewall?
firewall.
También? Okay, let's show them that real quick. And we had some hood struts, been a little bit better, but
And
We know a guy that can do it.
it's hot.
what lowering kit do you need to get? You need to start considering the tubs.
Out of 5.
Out of 5?
Out of 5. I mean, you can do a 5. I mean, depends on what size wheels too.
That's right.
But on 24s, remember we've done one? We did
Yeah.
a 5-inch drop.
Yeah, the first giveaway truck did a 5-inch drop, and it rubbed a little bit.
It rubbed a little bit. You can get away with it, but on a 5, from 5 and lower, I would do tubs.
Okay. So that's what we did on this one. It already had them también, but
We already had tubs.
so if you guys remember, this one already had the tubs, but we went with the whole cat eye front end conversion, so it required new fenders and then had to redo the tubs on it también.
Redo the tubs.
So we changed the whole front end. So low recap. Over 5 inches lower, you need the tubs a huevo. Si no, va a empezar a pegar. It really depends on the size of wheels that you get and the tires that you get as well. If you get very low pros, you might get away with a 5-inch drop and no tubs, but it's still gonna rub every once in a while. So this one's sitting way lower than that, so we just went ahead and redid the tubs on it, so we had no issues with it. It still rubs here and there on the fender, but there's really not much you can do besides narrowing the front end and all this other extra work. So, and then of course we had them color match to match the whole paint job of the truck. Shout out to my boy Adam from Leading Edge Collision for doing all the paint and body work on this one. Quedaron mamalón. That's the front end.
That's the front.
The back is a little bit easier since this one's a step side. Or if it was a fleet side, do you need to do tubs being this low?
Nah, you need them.
Yeah.
You do need them.
So we had 9 inches in the front, and in the back we have 11. All right, so what does this one have to give it that 11-inch drop?
So this one has a step notch,
Okay,
drop shocks, a
Okay.
6-inch flip kit,
Okay.
3-inch drop blocks,
okay.
and shackles. Drop shackles.
2-inch shackles or what?
2-inch shackles. 2-inch drop. Well, they're adjustable.
Adjustable.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're adjusted to 2 inch. So that's 9 inch plus the shackles, that's 10, 11. So 11 inches in the back. So you need to have all that combined with the step notch, you're just gonna be hitting the frame with a differential. So
And if it's step side, you can get away without doing tubs.
that's right.
If it's straight bed,
You gotta do tubs. Como quiera doghouse, you have to do. And this, you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to do this at a what, 9-inch drop? Well, whenever you do the step notch.
Yeah, whenever you do a step notch, you need to do the doghouse.
And when do you need a step notch? Para la gente que no sabe, how low do you have to be? Because Chuy, do you have a step notch on yours?
I would regularly see notch.
And that's a 7-inch. So at 7 inches, you bottom out.
No, other than it clears it out a little bit.
Anything over an 8-inch drop in the back, I recommend
Bigger notch.
bigger notch.
So for the people that don't know what a notch is, you basically have to cut the frame. You have one here, no? This one? Pretty much.
something similar to that.
Something similar. So this is a step notch. So there's levels to the notch that you can
Yeah,
put
yeah.
on the truck, right?
There's the regular C notch, underbed notch, and then the step notch.
Okay, 3 different ones. So this is the one that's equipped on the giveaway truck. That gives it the maximum clearance. If later on, whoever wins this truck wants to do bags, it's ready.
Depends on the size of the wheels too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, but that's true. So there's a lot of things that change, a lot of variables and stuff, but for the most part, this thing has a maximum clearance.
Yeah, lay frame. Yeah,
It's
on
lay frame.
24s.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it could lay frame on 24s.
Yeah, it should be able to. Pero that's pretty much it, guys. For those of you guys out there saying 5.7 drop or it's a 4.6 drop, I mean it's right there.
Come look at it in person.
Come look at it in
and
person.
Tell us it's
Yeah.
5.7 drop.
Yeah, I mean you can drive this truck and if you go over what are those things called on the freeway? The reflectors.
The reflector, yeah.
Lo pega, it hits, and it's sitting on 24. Regardless, the 911 drop on this truck is good. The truck rides badass. So, would I recommend driving it every day? Nah, weekend driver, Sundays, Saturdays, puede dar la vuelta con las
You know what I
morras.
like about it? You just get on and go.
Oh yeah.